Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Carissa from EVANGEL. Now we are at Sanhe Warehouse in Shanghai. Today I will show you HELI 3 tons diesel forklift CPCD30. Let's go and have a look. As we all know, HELI is the best forklift brand in China and top 3 in the world. And this model CPCD30 is the best-selling product. The related capacity is 3,000 kilograms and the total weight is 4,270 kilograms. The standard configuration is 2-stage 3-meter mast, but this one you can see is 3-stage 4.5 meters mast. The maximum lifting height is 4.5 meters. This forklift has added a side shifter. It allows the goods on the forklift can be laterally moved by 100 millimeters or 150 millimeters on both sides. It greatly improves the flexibility of the forklift and is suitable for various work environments such as forklift handling and staking. And this machine uses solid tires. Solid tires have a long service life and a low deformation rate. It greatly reduces the maintenance cost of forklift and increases the comfort of drivers. The engine is Quanchai with rated power 36 kilowatt. It's completely sufficient for your daily use. Finally, let's take a look at the cab. You can freely choose whether to install a closed cab or not. Of course, you can choose fan, air conditioner, and so on. And this machine is automatic transmission. All of these can make drivers more comfortable and efficient. In a word, this is all the content I want to introduce today. If you are interested in this machine or want to know more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.